Welcome back to another video. Hi, I'm Kevisha Unika. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to assemble one of my son's Christmas gifts. So I have like a series on my channel where I just feature like, you know, cute or unique, I should say, unique toys and like baby items that I found for my son, so you guys can also check them out, or you know, tell me what you think of the items down below. So if you haven't already, after this video, make sure you check out that playlist. I will leave a link down below, and let's get right into the video.
Created every rap that I roll, no favors. I gotta keep grinding till my cousins is my neighbors. Just gotta keep pushing like a lady that's in labor.
Let's get started with this build. But hold up, let me take off my jacket. Okay, so I be feeling like handy mandy, if y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then we're not in the same age range. But so here I'm just pretty much, you know, putting it together. I don't give much instructions during these videos, so if that's what you're here for, no. This is more so commentary and entertainment, because one, I didn't build this in 6 minutes. I wish I did. It took way longer than 6 minutes because I really don't like doing this, but single moms gotta do what a single mom gotta do. But anyways, how did we get here? Okay, so for Kobe's Christmas, I wanted to like build him a rock climbing wall. That was my whole idea, but that didn't happen because one, I don't have the skills to do that. Two, you have to have like a lot of like drills and tools and stuff for that. Don't have that either. So it just would have been a whole lot of like buying, and then a whole lot of not being able to actually achieve what I wanted to do. Because I was gonna have someone else help me as well, you know, a man, my cousin, but we both like, okay, that's above our expertise. So maybe at a later date, a different time, we'll hire a contractor to do exactly what we want. But this fits right here. So I wonder, do you guys like actually like these videos? Like, you have to thumbs this up. Like, let's try to get this to how many likes? Let me think. I'm gonna look at my old videos and compare. Let's get this video to 25 likes. Let's see if we can get this video to 25 likes. Starting with you. Go ahead and hit that like button. And tell me down below what you think of the item, and also, you know, the actual video. Like, do you like me showing y'all these assemble videos or what? Do you guys want more instructions or just the voiceovers with commentary and my humor? the humor I do give you guys, I try to give y'all as much humor as I can, but again, I'm working on it on myself, and I'm working on my editing skills, so we'll get there. It was this part, trying to get in the corner. Okay, so there isn't much to do further into this build. I'm doing the last piece. I did buy balls to put in the inside of this tent type of setup. So it's kind of like a ball pit for him as well, just to make it a little bit more fun. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and reveal it to Kobe. So tell me what you think down below. Much at first, Kobe fancied the bell. he didn't do much when I first showed him, like doing the recording. But he overall love this rock climbing wall. He's always running inside, playing and hiding. He crawls through the window. He crawls on the side where the rocks are, and he just have a good old time. So I highly recommend, if you have the space for it and you have a growing toddler, they will love this, and they will have it for years to come. So, alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching.